If your SIM card tray is stuck, don't force it. This can cause damage. First, identify the cause. Most commonly, it's due to dust, debris, or misalignment. Before attempting removal, power off your phone. Use the SIM eject tool that came with your phone or a straightened paper clip. Gently insert the tool into the pinhole on the SIM tray and apply steady, even pressure. If it doesn't eject easily, don't push harder. Instead, try these tips. Ensure you're using the correct pinhole. Some phones have similar holes for microphones. Using the wrong one can cause damage. Visually inspect the tray for any visible obstructions like lint or dust. If you see any, try using compressed air to dislodge them. Avoid using sharp objects, which can scratch the internal components of your phone. If the SIM tray remains stuck, try gently wiggling the SIM eject tool while applying pressure. This may help to loosen the tray if it's slightly misaligned. If you suspect debris is the issue, carefully apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol, 90% concentration or higher, to a cotton swab and gently clean around the edges of the SIM tray. Let it dry completely before attempting to eject the tray again. As a last resort, before seeking professional help, back up your phone and perform a factory reset, as software glitches can sometimes interfere with SIM card functionality. To prevent future issues, use a phone case with dust seals to minimize debris entering the SIM tray. When inserting the SIM card, ensure it's properly aligned with the tray's notch. Consider switching to eSIM technology if your phone supports it. eSIMs are software-based and eliminate the need for physical SIM cards, thus preventing stuck SIM issues altogether.